Alright, dude, this one's gonna be intense. Oh shoot. Alright, so we got Pax, Ruin Pandemonium, 10, Nexus Venture Yielding, and it's gonna take on Anarchy Thrasher, 4 armor high tower ball. This is a custom driver. So and yeah, and that happened. God damn it. But y'all already know. So Pax versus Chance. This is a pretty interesting battle. So we're gonna see how this goes. All right, here we go. Boom and oh, gonna be an interesting one. Pax versus Chance. It's gonna be intense. Ooh, big hit. Some hard hits. But who's got it with the stamina? Uh-oh. Yo, Pax! Yo, Pax! Yo, he got off balance big time. Oh, shoot. All right, that's one. All right, here we go. Anarchy splash! And Ruin break! Ruin Pandemonium. Uh-oh. He's got it. Some hard barrage attacks. And Anarchy. It takes it with the balance. All right, that's two. Boom. With my elemental break. Yeah, Pax got to push this one out through. If Pax goes down, I'm switching it. That comeback crack from Pax. The weight. This just ain't there, man. Like it literally has 2 Kateratami parts to it. Like it has the cold disc and it has the 4 armor. So the weight is there for sure. Oh shoot. So yeah. So now we're going with the yielding attachment for Pandemonium. Alright. Maybe it has a better chance in this mode. Yeah, man, stamina. Now we're going in the barrage attacks. Barrage attacks. You know, not really barrage attacks. I would say like hard barrage. And I think Anarchy won that. I wasn't too sure on that. So that's 4. All right, boom. Ruin break or elemental break. Big hit. Oh, big hit. Yeah, some hard barrage. Some hard barrage for sure. Alright. And yeah, dude, in Arky. Just having all that weight. That's 5. Alright. I'm gonna give it like one more chance. Like I said, I'm really trying, dude. You already know. I still might have this cough that's kicking my ass, but I'm still grinding. I'm still grinding. And this freaking dude, this freaking Thrasher, it ain't playing with the weight though. Like guaranteed you, it's the weight for sure. But this freaking Pandemonium, dude, this is why I love this Beyblade, bro. This is why, dude. Like, I still love this Pandemonium. Like, I love this. I love everything about this prototype. And it's still an amazing prototype. For sure, dude. But Pandemonium taking not Pandemonium. Anarchy Thrasher taking the win over Pandemonium. That was crazy, man. Having that balance. Having all that weight from Thrasher. No doubt about it.